Alrighty. So I just had an issue with my Apple MagSafe. I plugged it into my PC and it showed that it's charging, saw the animation, the whole shebang. But a moment later, I was looking at my phone, getting some notification, um, and it's not charging for some fucking reason. So the way I fixed it was I went to the settings, Bluetooth and devices, and then clicked on View More Devices, and then I saw it that is connected. Don't worry about it. It says driver error. Don't worry about it. I scrolled all the way down and then click on more device and printers. And then you're going to look for it. And then you're going to click right click, properties. You click on hardware, select the first one. It's selected by default. And then click properties again. And then go to drivers. And you're going to see that it's like '06. So it's very old. So you change the settings. And then you go to drivers again, and then you can disable it here. And now just unplug it, plug it back in, and it should be charging constantly.